How to assign corporate an invoice? Log in eGlobe dashboard. You'll see the intuitive dashboard where you can view bookings, check-ins and checkouts, and revenue details. Click Booking in the main menu. This takes you to the Booking Details page. Next, open the Payment and Billing section and click Assign Corporate. Here, you can select an existing company from the drop-down list. If the company is not listed, go to Add or Edit Company, then click Add New Company and fill in the required details. Return to the Assign Company section and choose Company. Then, choose the appropriate option for its role. Set as Booking Source. Apply GST on invoice. Bill charges to company. Then submit. On left-hand menu, go to Booking Folios and select Default Invoice to view the added corporate details. And that's it. You've added a corporate company to the invoice in just a few clicks. For more information, get in touch with us through the details shown on your screen.